To share a CloudExtend template, first save the template as an Excel template or workbook. Share the file to the end user via email, OneDrive, etc. Once the end user opens the file, they will need to log into CloudExtend Excel for NetSuite. The template is currently part of the workbook, but not saved to their list of templates. To save the shared CloudExtend template, the end user will first need to create any filter. We will come back to this filter later to remove it, but this is a step that is necessary in order to save the template. Once the filter is applied, hit the Save button on the bottom of the toolbar. Next, go to the menu icon and click on Templates. Find the template you are working with and click the pencil icon. Once loaded, click Next and then change the name accordingly. Once the name change is complete, hit the Save button on the bottom of the toolbar. Now, we will remove that random filter that we previously created. Go to the Templates page and run the template you just saved. From here, you will edit the filter and completely remove it. Click on Edit Filter. Click on the X box and hit Save. Now you have the template that was shared with you saved to your CloudExtend Excel for NetSuite list of templates.